when I'm up there just passively lecturing. Occasionally you get students who are just checked out. You can tell when I was reading all this literature and I really talked about flipped classrooms, how effective it was for teaching. I thought I'd give it a shot. So now I don't actually do the lectures. I spend the first 5 to 10 minutes recapping the video lectures that they are supposed to have watched. The rest of the time is spent having them do the homework problems. This really gives me the opportunity for real-time feedback. And I can tell whether some students are struggling more than others, what are the common misconceptions, and just try to address that right away. I think students can't hide. Even the quieter students really start to open up more about questions and things like that. I've also published a couple of papers on this flipped classroom method compared prior to when I flipped the classroom to after I flipped, and I saw a slight increase in exam scores, which suggests, I guess, improved learning and retention of those concepts. This approach matters because it helps students rewatch lectures whenever they need to and allows me to provide them with real-time feedback in class. Go for it. Contact ATSS. Start small with just a few classes.